There was a proposal in the House to have a red flag law,
Yes.
where family members or law enforcement could seek a temporary court order to restrict access to firearms if they thought somebody was having mental health issues, for example. That didn't go anywhere in the House. Is there any likelihood that that will come back, or make the case for a red flag law in Iowa?
Well, I think it gives us the ability to, and as a gun owner and somebody who really is passionate about our right to preserve the Second Amendment in the state that it's in now, I think that gives me a safeguard. It gives me a more comfortable, more safe feeling, knowing that when an individual is unstable, we have the ability and the potential to, even for a restricted amount of time, make it so that they're less likely to do harm to others or themselves. Knowing the representative who's passionate about that bill, I think we will continue to see it.
Representative Windschitl?
I've actually sat down with multiple members of the minority party and had conversations with them just about extreme risk protective orders, and there's a number of different ways to couch them, James. You call them red flag laws. Look, I'm not opposed to trying to address that nexus where someone who has not been adjudicated mentally unstable and has not committed a crime, but genuinely needs help. They need to have mental health counseling. I'm not opposed to finding a pathway to having that person get the help they need. But you have to be very careful when we talk about these things, because we don't want to be circumventing due process. We don't want someone to have their individual fundamental rights removed without first being able to go before a judge and saying, look, I don't have a problem, this is a fraudulent claim. So there's a way to do this, but we have to be very careful, because if we're just going to arbitrarily take away someone's fundamental rights because someone's made an accusation, that's a huge problem, not just for the right to keep and bear arms, but for a lot of other rights as well.